Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to tag your products in Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page where you want to go ahead and log into your Shopify account in the upper right corner. And after successfully logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where at the left side screen you can find all the sections that you can access, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started tagging our products that we have in our store. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and open up the product section right here. By opening up the product section, it's going to automatically open this list of all the products that we have in our store and that we can get started accessing. So you want to go ahead and open up the products you want to tag. So I'm going to open up this product right here, and this is now going to go ahead and open up this menu page where I can get started editing my product, as you can see right here. And basically guys, what we're going to be looking at is right here with the right side of the screen. As you can see under product organization, once you scroll down, you'll find an option that says tags, and this is where you want to add your tag. So you can use any tag you like, such as shirt. So if you do not have the tag, you can click add, and this is going to add a tag to your store product. And after that, you can just save it by clicking the save button right here, and after successfully saving it, this is now going to be the new tag of your product. You can add multiple tags, do whatever you want, and add them to your products. But yeah guys, that's how easy it is to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.